I can't breathe. Please, the knee in my dick. I can't breathe.
Bro, get in the car, man.
The world is fuming after the death of US citizen George Floyd, a black man who choked to death by a white police officer on May 25th. Riots and protests have started taking place all over, and amidst the COVID-19 pandemic, USA is experiencing another havoc of civil war. In today's video, we will try to explain what racial discrimination is. When a person is treated less favorably or given less importance over others in similar situation only because of their race, color, descent, national or ethnicity, it is called racial discrimination. If two people want to buy something but the shopkeeper is allowing only one of them to purchase that item and forbids other one to take it on the basis of his color or race, then this is racial discrimination. Racial hatred or racial vilification. An act done by a person in public to offend, insult, humiliate or intimidate a person or group based on their race, color, national or ethnic origin is called racial hatred. This may include defaming or putting offensive material on the internet or maybe on social networking sites, putting racially offensive comments or images in a newspaper or magazine or anywhere, racially abusive comments or speeches at a public rally or in a public place like shops, workplace, park, etc. Different kinds of discrimination. There are mainly 4 types of race discrimination. Direct discrimination. If someone gives you a worse treatment than other person who is also in a similar situation as you just because of your race, then this type of discrimination we call direct discrimination. Indirect discrimination. If an organization or company has a particular policy regarding the way of working which gives disadvantage to a particular racial group. For example, a salon has policy of not recruiting people who cover their head. This would put any Muslim women or Sikh men who cover their head at a disadvantage. Harassment. If someone humiliate you or offend you or degrade you whether in public or private, it is harassment. It can never be justified. Many organizations and companies are providing strict actions to tackle with the problem of harassment. Victimization. This can happen when a person is being treated badly or worse because he or she has complained about a race-related discrimination under the Equality Act. Also, in many cases, if you are supporting someone's cause who has complained of race-related discrimination, you become victim as well. So hope this would give you an insight of what actually racism is, and in no case we should ever justify it. It is purely against humanity and law. Hello guys, the ebook for the month of December is available on our website. Get an exclusive discount of 30%. Use the code CFA30.